The campaign was initiated by Element Medical Suppliers CC in partnership with the Namibia Bus and Taxi Association and endorsed by the Ministry of Health and Social Services. At the launch, the governor of the Commerce region complimented stakeholders for the initiative, further urging Windhoek residents to be inquisitive on the hygiene of public transport and only board those that have been disinfected in order to avoid coming in contact with the virus.
Corona must fall. One passenger per taxi per day saves lives. By my understanding of one passenger per day does not mean that you only take one trip, as if you are allowed only to transport one person, but rather to say the price of disinfection, which is 14 Namibian dollar, is equivalent to the 14 Namibian dollar that the taxis are charging per passenger. Hence we are saying, if paid at $14, you would have saved more life, but only by paying for one passenger. I think that must be understood. We continue to urge everyone to comply with our travel operation and the state of emergency regulation and the health and hygiene protocols. With the launch of this disinfection service, it is advisable for the public to use disinfected taxis and buses and make it a priority to ask that taxi driver if he has disinfected the taxi. We are not terrorizing anybody, but we are looking at the health and the safety of the Namibian nation. When your passenger is asking you whether you disinfected, I don't think that person is wrong in any way. But that person is by all means trying to be safe within your hand and your taxi. And remember, the moment that individual has taken a ride in your taxi, it means that individual is ready to pay you and to have a ride with you.
The mayor of the city of Windhoek applauded the campaign, saying that her office welcomes any initiative geared towards protecting the residents from contracting the virus.
We know that members of the Namibia Bus and Taxi Association operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. As the drivers ferry residents around the city, passengers become prone to contract the virus, a situation which has become worrisome. As of the 12th September 2020, the national COVID-19 cases were standing at 9,108, with 93 deaths and 4,640 recoveries. We know that the cases are on the rise on a daily basis, but we also know that at least God is hearing our prayers. Cases are also reducing and death cases are also reducing, so we thank God for that.
The campaign was launched at the Vernal Park taxi rank, from which it will be rolled out to other towns in the country. Taxis and buses will from now on be disinfected from Mondays to Saturdays at all 23 disinfection points in the capital. Thus, public transport drivers and owners in Windhoek are urged to register their taxis.